Hey everyone, my name is Steph Staffer. I'm one of the acupuncturists here at Acupuncture Northwest, and we had you all submit questions that you had about acupuncture. So we have a long list, and we're going to try to get to a couple of questions every single week, just so that we can help you stay informed and we can educate you about all the wonderful things around acupuncture. So first question that someone submitted: can acupuncture help with sports injuries? The answer is an absolute yes. We treat everything from sprains, strains, broken bones, post-surgical care, pre-surgical care. We treat athletes of all kind, whether you are just a casual athlete or somebody who is uber competitive and competing, on a monthly, biannually basis. So it's really important. One of the things that acupuncture does is improve blood flow to tissues. So that's a big part of the healing mechanism of acupuncture. It's also really helpful for repair of injury, of ligaments, of tendons. Connective tissue is poorly circulated in general, so acupuncture is really, really helpful to assist in the repair of all kinds of sprains and strains. Also, one of the things that acupuncture is really great at is reducing swelling, reducing inflammation, and reducing pain. I'm sure you know a lot about acupuncture treating pain. And that brings me to sort of these next two questions. Can acupuncture help with low back pain? Again, yes it can. And the reason why is acupuncture helps reduce inflammation. It helps stimulate the brain to release its own natural painkillers. They're called enkephalins, and they're stronger than most pain medications out on the market that you could get prescription. So if we can get the brain to do the job, you're going to be feeling a lot better. In terms of lower back pain, we treat all kinds of injuries, from structural injuries like a herniation or a bulge in a disc. We treat muscular pain, and we treat what we call neuropathic pain, which is inflammation of the nerve. And typically, this is the most common kind of pain. It's just hard for people to describe. As acupuncturists, we know when the nerves are inflamed, people are going to be having a pain response. So acupuncture is wonderful at helping with that. And then finally, this question is really important actually. Will my practitioner recommend supplements to me? Acupuncture is one branch of Chinese medicine. Chinese medicine is truly herbal medicine, acupuncture, and then lots of different bodywork modalities. In our clinic, we use acupuncture and Chinese herbs, and then we also use a lot of nutritional supplements, Western herbal supplements, and so on. It totally depends on the patient, what they're coming in for, their health history, as to whether or not supplements or herbal formulas will be a part of your treatment plan. For the most part, herbs and supplements aid in the healing for pretty much every single condition, especially internal conditions like GI distress, stress and anxiety management, anything having to do with autoimmune disease, any inflammatory process. And so adding the supplements and the Chinese herbal formulas into your treatment plan gives the body the raw materials to be able to use so that you can really have a great response. And using acupuncture alone is great, but we can get an awesome response when we take that two-pronged approach and we combine supplement and Chinese herbs and acupuncture.